Hey everybody, so I know sales is a weak point for a lot of people. That's why right now we're gonna go over some advanced seller tips that allows you to sell more with doing less selling. Let's get into it. Okay, tip number one is share stories about your past customers. So the other day I was at the grocery store and I seen someone who was pregnant, somebody that I knew from high school. She was pregnant. And I said, hey, when you do? And we got to talking, we got to catching up, and 5 minutes into the conversation, getting ready to end the conversation, and I say, hey, I almost forgot. I have a laser business now. And she's like, oh, what's that? People are interested in things like that. So she asked a question back. Now it's a conversation. Oh, it's this. I have this thing called a glow forge. It's a laser. It cuts, it engraves, whatever. I do fundraisers for schools and this and that. She's like, oh, that's awesome. That's cool. Like, you know what? Let me show you something. And then I go and I take my phone out and I start going through these pictures, because you always want to have your pictures on your phone so that you can do this. So I'm going through the phone and then showing her these things. I'm like, oh, you know what? Here's this baby name sign. Because remember I said in the beginning, she's pregnant. Here's this baby name sign. We did this for so-and-so. And then when she had her newborn in the hospital, she put the baby name sign in the baby bed, in the bassinet, and then she took pictures of it and posted it on Facebook. So then as I'm telling her this story, about a past customer, and I'm telling her how she loved it and how she posted on Facebook, and maybe she even seen the Facebook post and she was thinking, oh, I remember that sign. So anyways, that's how you do that. Step number two, let's segue into creating curiosity posts on social media. So like I said with the last story, we gave that baby sign to this customer and she posted it on Facebook. Now people are going to look at that photo. You know what people say. They say, hey, oh, that's a cute baby. So cute. Oh, she looks like whatever. Those curls, whatever they say. But a lot of people are going to notice that baby name sign. Well, because that's where the baby's name is. So they're going to look at the sign. They're going to say, oh, that's cute. And then people are going to start commenting. They're curious. Where'd you get that sign? And then she's going to say, I got it from so-and-so. I got it from Marcus. I got it from this business, whatever. So that's how you do that. And then you yourself, you can create posts too. So if you gave a sign away or you sold one, it doesn't matter. You can also post that same thing on your Facebook page. And then you can say, wow, I just got to give this sign to so-and-so for free, or so-and-so just bought this sign and it just looks so nice. I'm so happy for this. I'm so happy for them. Congratulations on your new baby. I hope you enjoy your sign. And then all those people on your Facebook page, whether a like page or a group or just a personal Facebook page, they're going to be curious. They're going to be simply curious. And they're going to say, oh, I didn't know you did this. Or, oh, can you do this? Or can you put this on there? Or how big can you make the sign? Or can you hang it on the wall? Just like whatever it is, they're going to start reaching out to you. So that creates leads. So let's segue into number three. You can give someone something for free. Now, here's the key. You can give anyone something for free. You don't want it to be a piece of crap. You want it to be something actually good. I gave a door sign away to a realtor once, okay? And you just have to think outside the box. That realtor is selling hundreds of houses and there's hundreds of doors, So this realtor has this door sign, and every time, that realtor is looking at other real estate agents who sell homes and they give gifts, they give door hangers. So that real estate agent that I gave that door sign to, she's thinking, oh, I know a guy. She always has that because that door sign is still on her door today. So then she'll either choose to do business with me, she'll buy them from me and then give them to her customers, or she'll refer them to me. The next tip is this. On social media or whatever your platform is, you can share tips about how to use or how to care for your product. So here's an example. If you do embroidery on sweaters, which we also do that too. You have a sweater for a newborn and it's embroidered and it has that puffy lettering on it. There's a special way that you have to wash those. And some are different than others, but all in all, you don't want to use extra hot water. You don't want to dry it on extra hot. There's certain ways to care for it. And what you can do is go live or just do a video, or you can even take a picture and then make a long post. And then what you want to do is just type in the instructions there, or you want to talk like this, like you and I right now. You want to say, hey, I just wanted to hop on here really quick. It was brought to my attention that the directions may not have been clear, or you just wanted some clarification on these directions. So what you want to do is wash it on cold or hand wash only. And then you want to air dry. You want to hang it up on a clothesline, air dry. And then they'll thank you for it. They'll say, oh, great. I'm glad you told me that before I shrunk this thing or before the letters fell out. And then also, guess what? That's also a curiosity post, because you don't have to explain before you start going into your training. You don't have to explain anything. So the people who actually bought, they're going to be thankful. Oh, thank you for telling me. But then the people who know nothing about this thing, they're going to be curious. So then they're going to reach out, or they're going to point somebody who's pregnant or just had a baby in your direction too. So it all comes together. And then step number 5, last but not least, you want to highlight the features and benefits of your products. And you can do that casually. So here is an ornament that I just created. It's a very simple one. Well, you know what? It may not be that simple, but nonetheless, it's a cool one. Look at the back. The back isn't finished yet. I still have to take the pieces of tape off here, and then color that with a stain marker. It's a stain marker. I hope you heard of those. You're going to give this to somebody, you know, like a family or a friend. And then down here, you'll put the date, which I did not do on this because this is just for display, just to show. But you'll put a date somewhere. You might put it in here or on the tree. You'll put a date somewhere. Which Christmas is this? Christmas 2024, Christmas 2025, whatever it is. You put a date. So the first benefit is attached to putting the date on there. So basically, it'll give them a memory back to whatever that date was. You put 2023 on there, then it's like, oh, I remember that year when we bought all those personalized ornaments. These are nice. This was a good year, whatever, this and that. And then also, here's a benefit. I want to read to you what this says on the back. It's not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. So that's what this quote says. We got these little mittens here with this heart. You know, it's the heart. That's what makes it special too, these mittens. And this is a family ornament. So this is meant to be given to someone like a grandparent or mom or dad or whoever. It's meant to be given to somebody. And it has this beautiful quote on the back. So the benefit of this is that you'll be able to you'll be able to give someone that good feeling of love or being cared for, especially with, well, first of all, the ornament, but then the quote on the back. This solves a problem, and the problem is wanting to show forth some love. Okay, so I hope those tips were helpful for you. And here's something else. If you stay till the end, if you're here right now, comment below and say Merry Christmas. Okay, because I want to know who you are. I want to know who the people are that watch, because I got something coming in the future for you. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments below if you have any questions or would like any help with anything. Thank you.